So now we're gonna get into electronics. And you guys know I'm gonna make this thing into a little speed runner. So this is my gyro. This is a V4 Pro by Atomic. So this is where I start getting into trouble with things. So you guys saw me unbox the one thing that had this included in it. And you also saw the gyro that was in there. If you saw that video, I hope you did. And a bunch of you guys know that in the Facebook group, this is one of the motors I'm going with. This is a 10 shock. I do have a TP here, and I got a new motor here as well. Still no new motor. So we're gonna go with this for now. I'm not gonna tell you guys what KV, but I will let you know later. But that's the motor. We're gonna check this one out. This is a motor I had for a long time for my Mini B, but I didn't put it in here. I ended up doing a TP, and I ended up doing a new motor as well. But this is, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 5300. This is brand new. I haven't used this one. I'm probably gonna end up putting this on my website. Make sure you guys stay tuned because GNCRC.com coming pretty soon. This one would definitely work, but I chose to go with this particular one just because it's larger. You guys can see the difference. Don't get me wrong, this will give it plenty of power, but I don't have to worry about anything with this particular one. That's kind of why I hadn't decided on what ESC. So this is a Castle that I had for a long time. I forgot the model number, but it's a Castle. I took all the stickers off, but it's a Castle 3S. ESC is kind of large. I don't know if I'm gonna go with that one. I also have this particular Traxxas. This is just a Castle that's been rebranded. I had this for some years. This has been flashed to a 6S setup. When it came out, I want to say this was a 3S. It was ET 3S ESC, and it was only set up for a 3S, but I flashed it over to a 6S ESC. This particular one, you guys know what that is. This is a Mama Micro X2. This will be my first time seeing one of these. This particular one comes with the 10 amp BEC. That's pretty cool. I want to see the size of this one compared to the other ones that I have. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a go. That's a whole lot smaller. This thing is capable of 4S, so don't be surprised, guys. I know there's a lot of power on this little thing, but hey, you know, I'm one of those guys. I'll try it. Let's see, I think these connectors are the same size as well. Yep, perfect fit. So we definitely gonna go with this one. It'll be much easier getting this thing on the hood versus this one. Or this one. I love that size.